Hello, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So we are discussing about paper 4, specimen paper for the examination from 2025. So it is part 3 for that. So we already finished till question number 21. So now we are discussing question number 22. So the diagram shows triangle OPT. You can see the triangle O, P and T. In the diagram, OT is equal to small letter t. So it is already marked here. OT is small letter t, the vector t. Then OP, vector OP is equal to small letter p. So vector OP is small letter p. OK is to KT is 2 is to 1. OK, so this is OK is to KT is 2 is to 1. So if you have a ratio like this, what is happening here? Okay, I will just explain that. Then we will continue with the question. Okay, so we have OK is to KT is given 2 is to 1. That means here we have the total ratio is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Out of 3, 2 is for OK, and out of 3, 1 is for KT. Okay, so out of 3, 2 is for OK, out of 3, 1 is for KT. Okay, so see here in the picture we have OT. The complete OT is small letter t. Okay, so what will happen to K? So K will become, or OK will become, vector OK will be, the magnitude of vector OK will be 2 over 3 t, because 2 over 3 part of this complete line is OK. In the same way, 1 over 3 t will be the vector kt. So we'll mark here, this part will become 2 over 3 t, and here it will become 1 over 3 t. Okay, then the next ratio is given, TL is to LP is 2 is to 1. In the same way we will write that also. TL is to LP, the ratio is given 2 is to 1. So the total ratio is 3. So out of 3, 2 is for TL. Out of 3, 1 is for LP. So what is the total length is given for TP? So we have TP is not given, right? So TP is not given. So then only we can use the ratio. How to find TP? So just see here, TP. Okay, so we have a triangular law for vector. Okay, so we have TP means the direction will be this direction. So this vector TP is starting from T, right? So TP will be is equal to starting from here. So TO plus OP. Okay, TO plus OP. So I will just write here, TP, vector TP is equal to TO plus we have OP. TO plus OP. What is TO? TO we have, you can see OT is small letter t. So TO will be in the opposite direction. So TO will be minus t. So direction is very important in the case of vectors. So here I will repeat one more time. OT is given small letter t. So here we need TO. So TO will be in the opposite direction of OT, right? So TO will be negative t plus what is OP? OP is given small letter p, so you can directly write OP, that is P. So now we already used the ratio here. So what happens for TL? TL will become 2 over 3 in bracket. What we have for total length is minus T plus P. Minus T plus P. The same way LP will be 1 over 3 of total length TP is what we already got, minus T plus P. Okay, so if you have some question like subdivisions of some questions in the case of vectors like this, it's better use the ratios directly here and write all the measurements like this, so that it will be easy for the subdivision questions. Okay, so what is the first question? Find in terms of T and P in its simplest form. First we need to find the length of PL. What is PL? Let's see PL. What is PL? We already found LP, right? LP. So PL will be opposite direction. Vector PL will be opposite direction. So negative of this one. Okay. So negative of 1 over 3 in bracket minus t plus p, or otherwise you can directly write minus and minus will become plus, right? So minus 1 over 3 times minus t will become 1 over 3 t, then minus 1 over 3 times plus p will become minus 1 over 3 p. So the length or the vector, we cannot say the length or magnitude, it is just a vector. So the vector PL is 1 over 3 t minus 1 over 3 p. So 2 marks, one is for the this t part and 1 mark is for 1 over 3 p. Okay. Then the next question is KL. Let's see what is KL. KL. We need to find from K to L. This vector we need to find. Okay. So use the triangular law. The vector KL, the vector KL, K starting from K, right? So we can move like this plus this one. Or you can use this also, this one plus this one plus this one. Okay, you can use any, no problem. So we are starting, the vector is starting from K. So anyway you can move from K to L, you can move in any way. So let's see here. So we need to find KL. So for that we need KT. KT the same direction. So you can take 1 over 3T, 1 over 3T. Then we have to go like TL. TL will be 2 over 3 in bracket minus T plus P. If you don't know, you can write the step. KL, vector KL will be equal to vector KT plus vector TL. Okay, so that's why vector KT is 1 over 3T plus TL is this one. So I will just open the bracket, so it will be easy. So 1 over 3T plus 2 over 3 times minus T. So you will get minus 2 over 3T. Then we'll multiply this one to P. So we'll get plus 2 over 3P. Okay. Now let's see if we can simplify it or not. So you can see we have two t terms, right? 1 over 3t and minus 2 over 3. So this is a calculator paper. So you can use the calculator to find 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3. 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Without calculator also you can find. Here the denominator are same. So write the same denominator, then subtract the numerator. 1 minus 2 will become minus 1. Okay, so you will get minus 1 over 3t plus 2 over 3p. So vector KL is minus 1 over 3t plus 2 over 3p. I will show you the marking scheme for question number 22. Let's see the marking scheme. Question number 22, you can see M1 for correct route. Okay, so correct route means any of the route, that means the path you are taking, the path is correct, you will get 1 mark. So no need to find all the steps like this. If you can simplify it, you can just simplify and write the final answer directly. Okay, let's see the B part. KL is extended to a point M. So we have KL, yeah, so you can see this KL. This side or this line KL is extended to some point M. We don't know the where M is. We don't know that. Okay, I will just change the color so that it will be easy for you to identify it. So I'll take blue. Okay, so they are telling this KL they are extended. We have some point M. Okay, we don't know where it is. Maybe here or somewhere. What we need to prove? Let's see the question one more time. Km is given. Km is already given. I will just zoom out. Okay. So Km is given minus 2 over 3t Km. Yeah, this complete length is given. Okay. Minus 2 over 3t plus 4 over 3p. Show that M lies on OP extended. So this OP when extended, it lies P. So we need to show that. We need to show that this M lies on OP extended. If you are extending OP, it lies M. So how to prove that? If you have this type of question, what you have to think or what you have to consider is, if you got OM is a, OM means vector OM is a multiple of P, we can say that M lies on OP. So if you are finding vector OM, if you found that this vector OM is a multiple of P, P is OP, vector OP, the magnitude is P. So if it is a multiple of P, we can say that it is lies on OM. Okay, this is the method. So we will find OM. What is OM? So we need to find OM. Okay, so what is OM? OM, how we will reach OM? OM will be is equal to OK plus KM, right? Triangular law. So we need to find OM. I will repeat one more time. OM will be equal to, the path is this, right? So OK plus OM. So I'll write here OK plus KM. Sorry, it is KM. Okay, so we will just substitute what we got for OK. OK is 2 over 3t. So we can just write here OK is 2 over 3t plus what is Km? Km is already given here, minus 2 over 3t plus 4 over 3p. So what happens here? We can cancel 2 over 3t minus 2 over 3t, it is 0. So we can cancel. So we'll get 4 over 3p. So now what we got? OM is a multiple of P, right? OM is a multiple of P. So you can say that M, M lies on OP extended. M lies on OP extended. You can just write that. Okay, so here it is a show that question. So by the end your answer must be this sentence. Okay, now we showed that M lies on OP extended. Why? We got OM is a multiple of P. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Okay, so we'll continue with the next question. Question number 23. Okay, search walks 7.9 kilometer correct to the nearest 100 meters. Like what we did for the previous question, the same way, whatever is the given data, split it. Whatever you can find by using the given data, write that one first. So it will help you. You can solve the questions very easily. So it is given when you can see nearest or corrective like this, corrective nearest, it leads to upper and lower bound. So what is given? Surge walks 7.9 kilometer correct to the nearest 100 centimeters. So I will just read the question completely first. The walk takes 133 minutes correct to the nearest minute. Okay, so here it is in meters and here it is in minute. Calculate the maximum possible average speed of search walk. Give your answer in kilometer per hour. So meter we need to change to kilometer and hour we need to minute we need to change to we need to change minute to hours. Okay, so either you can change in the final answer, you can find the average speed by using upper and lower bound, you know the rules and all, right? So by using that you can find the average speed by and at the end you can change it to kilometer per hour. Okay, otherwise you can change here itself. Okay, here it is given 7.9 kilometer, right? So 100 meters we will change to kilometer. How to change kilometer to meter? Sorry, meter to kilometer. We need to divide it, right? So we will get divided by 1000. So I will just write here 100 we have meter. We need to change to kilometer. So we will divide by 1000. So you will get here 0.1. So we just rewrite here 0.1 kilometer. Okay, so now we have 7.9 kilometer to the nearest 0.1 kilometer. Okay, what we have next? We have 133 minutes correct to the nearest minute. Okay, So 133 minutes to the nearest minute. Here both the units are same. So either you can change it here, or at the end also you can change it here. Okay. So now we will consider the same. By the end we will change only the time. So we have 133 minutes to nearest minute, right? Nearest minute. So I'll tell you how to find. We have to find the maximum possible average speed. So maximum possible means it is upper bound. So how to find the upper bound of average speed? What is how to find the speed? Speed is distance over time, right? So I'll write here speed is equal to distance over time. So we need to find upper bound of speed. Upper bound of speed will be upper bound of distance divided by lower bound of time. So we have to find upper bound of distance divided by lower bound of time. So distance we have here, we need to find the upper bound. How to find the upper bound? Upper bound is whatever you have number here, we will divide by 2 first. So 0.1 divided by 2, that is 0.05. Okay, so we need to find the upper bound. So upper bound will be 7.9 plus 0.05, that you will get 7.95 divided by. We need to find the lower bound of time. So nearest minute. Okay, so nearest minute means 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute divided by 2, you will get 0.5 minutes. So we need to find the lower bound. So lower bound will be 133 minus 0.5, that is 132.5. So lower bound of time is 132.5. Okay, so here it is in minute, but we need the answer in hours. So here itself you can divide by 60. So divide by 60, minute you can change to hour by dividing by 60. So in calculator, take the fraction button, then numerator you can give 7.95 divided by denominator is 132.5. You can use that division symbol, divided by 60, you will get 18 over 5. Okay, 18 over 5 is improper fraction. Either you can change to mixed fraction, that is 3 over 5. Otherwise you can change to decimal. This is a calculator paper, so you can change to decimal, that is 3.6 kilometer per hour. Okay, so these things is very you have to be very careful, because this part is very important. If you are finding, if you have division or subtraction, second one will be the opposite. What I mean is, if you are finding upper bound of speed, it will be, the numerator will be same, upper bound of distance, but denominator will be the opposite one, that is lower bound of time. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. So we will continue with the next question, that is the last question for the specimen paper. Question number 24. Okay, so question number 24 is, the straight line y is equal to 2x plus 1 intersects the curve y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4 at the point A and B. Okay, we have a straight line and we have a curve. Okay, find the coordinates of A and B. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal place. Here, what you have to remember or understand is that, so the thing is here, this is a parabola. Okay, this is a straight line. Okay, it is not the exact same. I am giving you example. It is intersecting at 2 points. Okay, one point is A and another point is B. We need to find the coordinates x comma x1 comma y1, or this coordinates x2 comma y2. These coordinates we need to find. Okay, so what you need to understand is, when you solve this simultaneous equation, you will get the coordinates. That will be the coordinate of the x coordinate of those 2 points. Okay, so we need to solve these two simultaneous equations. So both of them are y. Okay, these both the part is y, so we will take these two are equal. Okay, so that you can find the value of x. So we'll take x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 2x plus 1. So we'll rearrange and we'll make it in a general form of quadratic equation. So 2x will move this side. So here we have x square plus 3x minus 4. Then 2x will come here, it will become minus 2x plus 1 will become minus 1 equal to 0. So now you have 3x minus 2x, that is just x. So you will get x square plus x minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so now see the marks, it is 6 marks. And if the sum is 1 and the product is minus 5, it is not possible to factorize it and find the value of x, so we have to use quadratic equation. So we have a is the number with x square, that is this is same as 1x square, so a is 1. B is the number with x, so it is b is also 1x it is. C is the constant number, that is minus 5. Make sure the right side is 0. Okay, so now you can use the quadratic equation to solve this. It is in the first page, the formula sheet, you have the quadratic equation, you can use that. So x is equal to minus b, I will just write the formula, square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Direct substitution is enough if you know the formula, it is already there. So minus b is 1, so minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square is 1 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 5, just put a bracket, okay, because it is a negative number, we don't want to make mistake. 2 times a is again 1, then split those two, that is, or you can just solve here and then find, or just split. I will just solve inside so that it will be easy. 4 times 1 times 5, 20 you will get, so 1 plus 20, that is 21. Okay, you can directly use calculator, no need to do like this. Okay, this is same as, we'll get minus 1 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, or minus 1 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. Now use the calculator. So use the fraction button, you have in the numerator minus 1 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. See the decimal number, you will get for the first one is 1.791287. Just write at least 5 digits. Okay, or the second one, here itself you can change in the fraction, plus 21, just use the arrows left and right. So minus, just delete it and make it minus. So you will get minus or minus 2.79128. Okay, just 5 digits you can copy and write. Then these are the x coordinate, we just found the x values. Okay, we have two x coordinates, so right here, just when you write the final answer, round and write it in 3SF. Okay, so just round them and write it in 3SF. So we just need three numbers, just check the next number, if it is 5 or more than 5, you need to round them. Okay, so the first one will be 1.79. Okay, second one is minus 2.79. Okay, now we need to find the y coordinate. Y is already, you can use this or this is the simpler one, so I will be using this also you can use, you will get the same answer. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. So x value you already got, don't use this is a rounded answer, right? This is just a 3SF, so you can use this. Otherwise what you can do is use the calculator one, directly use the answer button from the calculator. So what you do is, if your final answer is this one in the calculator, okay, so just take 2 times answer plus 1. Okay, 2 times answer plus 1, so you will get 4.5825. So here we don't want that 5 digit number, directly you can write, round and write in 3SF, so 4.58. Okay, so the next answer, just go back, just press the up button and just take this. Okay, you can see on the screen this part, so just go right or left and press equal to sign. So you will get this answer, right? Then use this. Okay, so you can use 2 times answer plus 1. So you will get minus square root of 21. The answer is minus 4.58. Just see the marking scheme to make sure the answer is correct. So we have, yeah, we got the same, right? 2.79 and 1.79, and both the y coordinates are also same. See, you can see this is 6 mark question. Okay, so you have to write all the steps for the quadratic formula also. Okay, I hope this part is clear for you, and if you have any doubts, let me know. And if you need, if you want me to solve any questions or any past papers, also let me know. You can just mention in the comment, and just share these videos, uh, who want this, right? You can share this to your friends or your seniors or juniors. Maybe that will help them, right? Okay, so that's all about now, and we'll continue in the next part. Okay, thank you.